Hello everyone, it's Rachel here and I am here with an Etsy update. So I was asked last year, not in the second half of the year, I can't remember exactly when, if I would make kits, paper kits with my fabric designs. So it's all a bit confusing because a lot of the fabric designs are from our kits, and then I did meterage fabric designs that were not in paper kits, except for the pretty botanicals. So this is my soft blues fabric that has, it's not all blues, but I just called it soft blues because that was the main color. It's got a bit of mustard and stuff. I've done that one, and I've done my pink green, and I'm working on the other ones as well, but these are the first two that I'm releasing. So I'll show you. This is going to be called Collage Kit 5 because essentially they really are collage pages. So there's 8 pages, and the design is taken from my fabric design. Okay, so I've taken different bits and added borders and highlights and things like that. So I'll show you the pages. This is the pink green, and I absolutely love them. Can't wait to play with them, and I just think the possibilities are endless. That one. So again, taken from the all over pink green fabric. I think that's them. So you get a PDF file and the zipped JPEG files. The JPEGs print slightly better than the PDFs because the PDF, the pages are, the digitals are compressed. And then we have the soft blues, which is this one. And it's not all blue. It's, as I said, it's got some mustard and neutrals and all kinds of things. I've got it upside down. So you get a nice variety of pretty pages to play with. And I will be working on the other ones as well, but I'll release them every few weeks, I think. Not all at once. And because I've got quite a few designs, and I absolutely love these. It's that one, and that one. Now, they're in my shop. Don't confuse them with the fabric because the fabric has a higher price. And obviously, because it's a physical item and you'll notice there's shipping, this will say in the title, it says digital. They're already in my shop. I'll open my shop now and tell you. It says printable. And it's in, I put it in the new section for the time being. That was a wonderful suggestion by lovely Janie. Hi, Janie. And I thought that was a great idea to have things in the new section, and I have called them Printable Collage Pages Kit 5 and Printable Collage Pages Kit 6. So I'll link them in the description box, and you'll see they have a lower price, so you know you're not buying the fabric. Even if you were to make a boo-boo, I'm always, except if you buy digital, unfortunately I can't refund it because you get instant access to it, and I can't stop that. If you accidentally buy fabric, I can refund it so long as I haven't already sent it, because I'm pretty quick at shipping my stuff. So you need to get on to me pretty quickly. So those are the 2 new kits. Looking forward to playing with those. I hope you like them. And yeah, have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.